Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome to our summer session of the Data 10 Summer 2026 class. This is a 3 week intense 3 week data session class. This is your online Brightspace class. Make sure you make yourself conversant, make yourself familiar with the class, the policies that are here. For example, you can click on content, it should take you to this, or you could even just go on to the regular thing. So here we go. You should see the welcome here. You could go take a look at the welcome note that's mentioned here. You can take a look at it, read through them, and then look at the course information and policies. It gives you all the information, the course modalities here, and then you have the class participation, how you're, because this is an asynchronous class, we do not have regular classes. You will have to do all your work by yourself with the help of videos. Technology requirements: by accepting this class, you agree that you do have access to computers and internet at all times. So you cannot make an excuse of that you don't have access to computers. I'm available for office hours. Please take a look at this. My email is here and my office hours are here. Please send an email requesting an office hour time, virtual office hours. I will send you a link for the Zoom office hours. Okay. Here you have the grade book. If you would like to, you can look at the grade breakup, how you're being graded. We will be having first week you will have Word on Simnet. Second week we will have Excel. Third week you have Access. Okay, and then of course you have the final exam, which is 20%, and then you have there are 3 class exams, and then there are Excel assignments that are here. Okay, take a look at this, and all the discussions will be 10% of your total grade. For the textbooks, please click them and make sure that you are able to buy the textbooks from here. Okay, so the textbooks information is available here, or if you click on this, you should be able to see all the other information. Okay, so this is with a 3 week course. So take a look at week 1. Make sure that you go through all the other information before you do. The calendar is here. You should be able to take a look at the academic calendar, and then you should be able to see what are the days on which you will be having. Okay, and then of course you have your syllabus. You can download your course outline here, and things that you have to do before first week is make sure you have your textbooks, make sure you're signed up to Simnet. Okay, so click on here. There is a video explaining how to enter into Simnet and sign yourself in. Okay, make sure that you are signed in. Once when you sign into Simnet, you are going to see your class, which is Data 10 101 Summer 2026. Daniel Lazarus, that's my name. I will be your instructor. Okay, so you have first week you have to complete Microsoft Word. There are 4 chapters. You have to complete all of them. Complete the pause and practice exercises in each of them. Here you go. You see this? There are pause and practice exercises. You have to go through all this, read through all of them, complete the let me tries. For example, see, let me tries. There are so many let me try exercises. Complete all of them, and then complete your pause and practice exercises. So there will be an exercise given, and you will have to complete all these tasks. To help you complete this, I have completed each of these exercises, screen recorded them, and posted them on YouTube here. So if you go to pause and practice, Word PP stands for Word Pause and Practice 1-1. If you click on this, it just tells you.
In this video, we'll be taking a look at Excel, Word, Microsoft Word, Pause and Practice 1-1.
So it will tell you how to complete the exercises. You can complete them, and you will have to post them on your assignments here. Okay, the assignments, you'll have Simnet exercises, Word exercises Dropbox, and the Excel exercises Dropbox. So you'll have to drop them by June 7th, and after that this Dropbox becomes unavailable. Okay, so complete all the pause and practice exercises. There are 12 of them. If you take a look at each of the chapters, each chapter has three pause and practices: 1, 2, and 3. If you go to the second chapter, you're going to see again there will be 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and one of them has 4. So you will have 13 exercises to complete within a week and submit them in the Dropbox right here as an attachment. Okay? Right. So that's week one, and you also have certain other tasks on week one. Week one, you will have to complete your pause and practice exercises. You'll also have to read 4 chapters in the uh, office book, which is here. If you go back to your library, you will see Computer Essentials book. Click on this, and then you will be led to the first 4 chapters. You'll have to read through that before you take the practice exam. Okay. So you will be using 2 books for this class. One is Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office 365. When you buy the book, you're going to get both the books, by the way. So the package that you're paying for contains Microsoft Office and Computer Essentials with access to SimNet. Okay, so make sure that you go through all this, and there are concept videos for the first 4 chapters. This will explain you the various concepts that you're learning in the first 4 chapters of the Computer Essentials book, which is this one. Okay, so it talks about information technology, internet, application software, and system software. If you go here, there are videos that will explain all the information about that. Okay, and you are to submit all your word exercises in this Dropbox. And there are 2 discussions for week 1. The first, you have to complete it before Wednesday, and this is an introduction video. It is a graded discussion. You have to introduce yourself on a video, and you can record it using your computer or your phone. Talk about yourself, introduce yourself to the class. You can talk about how you're interested in information technology, what are your career goals. It's just a meet and greet discussion, and you will have to reply and say hello to at least 2 or 3 other students to get your full grade. Second discussion, however, is based on chapter 1 and 2. It talks about information technology. Read chapters 1 and 2 from the Computer Essentials book, which is this book, and then contribute on this discussion. Okay. If you want to take a look at the rubric, please, how you're being graded for the discussions, it will be here. The first post has to be due by the Wednesday of that week. Okay, so make sure that you are all posting your first post by Wednesday, and then the final post can be due by Sunday. All right, this is week 2. Again, in week 2, you will be doing chapters 6 through 9 in the Computer Essentials book, which is here, and then you will be doing Excel on there. Okay, I will be posting more videos. This is just an introductory video. However, take a look at the final exam. The final exam will be held on June 24th at 3 p.m. Okay, all the students have to be available at the same time. If you cannot take the exam, you will receive an INC grade. Okay, so make sure you keep yourself free for this. The class is available. All the assignments, all the discussions are available for students. If you would like to take the discussions and all of them, if you want to do it, well, that's fine. You can do week 1 and 2 at the same time if you want to jump the gun. But all assignments are available as of now. You can start. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. But my email is here about the instructor. If you click on this, it tells you about my email, my office hours, and you can contact me by email. Okay. Also, there you can download your course outline. Take a look at what are the things that you have to do. You can download the syllabus of the course outline. The academic calendar is here. What you have to do before week 1, and your textbooks. You have to go and buy your textbooks. Make sure that you are buying the textbooks on time. All right, everybody. So good luck, everyone. If you need any questions, please feel free to contact me.